Misty, how about you? Like what things you do to, remove friction for the teams or, for the agents or make it easy for them?
Yeah, a big part of our value proposition is we're going to take as much off your plate of all the extra stuff so you can just focus on your clients and nurtures and being out there and selling. We don't want you to have to spend a lot of time doing the front end work, the back end work, all of that. Just focus on what you do best, which is being great in front of people. And Kelly, we do something similar, but it's different. We do a sheet that's specifically for appointments that were set. So it all runs into like a master sales scorecard, and then each individual agent has their own that there's a link to the client in the CRM and then the results. So it's an easy way for them when someone is struggling. It's like, well, go back through your appointment tab and what can you do to specifically re-engage people that you're not moving forward with? So, but I like the idea of it even being earlier in the process. We do something a little different just to make sure that when it is a lead that came into the team, that it was all set up properly, an audit of that. But maybe a blend of the two would be interesting.